Hi, this is the Texas Happy Gardener. I just wanted to share with you that if you have not put in any tulips or daffodils or hyacinths or any of those items yet, it's not too late. It's around the 1st of February, and go to your local Walmart because they carry several and they range in prices. Of course, the little ones, the smaller ones, there's one in each carton and they're $1 each. And they also have the tulips, as you can see, and they also have some little trays, which I told them yesterday. I said these are extremely dry. You guys need to water them because you're gonna die if you don't water them. It's a shame. And then here's the smaller irises. And of course on the top rack they have the smaller daffodils. So also they have some containers of tulips, which you know, how many are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 for $5. And then here's your daffodils. So if you haven't got any this year and you want some, don't worry, don't hesitate. Just go out to your local Walmart, the super centers, because they're getting those in, and you can still plant your tulips and you can still plant your other bulbs if you didn't have an opportunity to in the fall or later winter, I guess. So everyone, stay safe and happy gardening.